Winter is back. It is Monday, May the 1st. Let me show you what I mean. All right, here's my driveway. Ooh, did you see that bird? Oh, that was kind of cool. Dutch has started plowing already. And look at that. The snow is already coming down and covering up where he plowed. Well, I guess I can show you the cars covered in snow and the trees covered in snow. But it's cold. I gotta shut the door because the power is out and our furnace doesn't work when we don't have power. So no heat, no nothing. The windows are covered in snow. The house is still warm for now. The power went out really early this morning. I called the power company. The Dutch heard transformer blow. Anyway, I called the power company. They said they'd put us in the queue. There were a lot of outages around. The nice thing is that they are usually really quick at getting the power back up. But if there are a lot of outages due to downed trees, which is probably the case, then it'll probably take them a while. Anyway, we do have a generator. I've done videos on it. However, it didn't come on this morning, so I don't know. It'll be okay. Schools are all canceled, including the university. Yeah. There's the panel for the generator. Looks like maybe we have a dead battery in there. Okay, I might as well. Oh, there was a little bird there. Oh. I let Piper out and she went running. There she is, way over there now. Yeah, gotta shut the door. The door is covered with water drops and ice. Maybe if I hold the camera way up here, we can see what it looks like out there. It looks like it's heavy wet snow, which I would presume it would be this time of year. Let's see if I can start a burner. No power means no water. Only what's stored in the holding tank, which is like 30 gallons or something. So you flush the toilet and the dog water bowl is empty. Well, almost empty. Oh boy, that'll take a lot of water for two big dogs. Oh yeah, no flushing toilets. You were out. Did you do anything when you were out? Oh, gotta let the dog in and the other dog out. I hear the generator going.
I think I want to wash my hair. All the neighbors can't.
Well, I shouldn't laugh at that.
The fuse was blown.
On the generator? So what'd you find when you were plowing out there?
Other end of the road, there's a tree, took the line down, transformer pole, everything's busted up. So they can't even get out of their driveway. But,
oh boy.
I plowed all the way out to the highway and it's a mess.
It's a messy one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get one shovel, you don't get to push the snow out. You just get one shovel full and you throw it, and that's about all you can do because my back can't handle any more than that.
That's why you have the plow.
And it's like it's kind of like shoveling concrete. That's really what it feels like.
That heavy? The snow is that heavy and wet? It's really
terrible.
bad. Yeah. You can see there's not a ton of snow on our snow gauge bird feeder here.
That's cement on the bird feeder.
I guess I can get my act together and go let the goose out. Look, we have power. Look at that. I'll turn it back off though. The generator's going. I wonder if we still have internet. Maybe we still have internet. I'll have to check now. Okay, the power was down, but the internet is still up. So once we got our generator working, and I'm glad Dutch was home this morning. He usually leaves Sunday night, but he was driving down today. Well, that was his plan. Anyway, once we got the generator going, that brought our Wi-Fi router back online, and oh, my alarm's going off. Anyway, so we have internet too. Yay, which means I can work today. Okay. Dutch took the dogs back and he went to let Ernie out. I can see the dogs are playing. I'll see him come through the woods though. Can you see him there? Well, he sees me. I was going to show you, I brought some warm water out there and put it in his bucket, and he was kind of taking a bath in it. Oh, maybe. Yeah. He's taking a bath in it. I love that. Oh, I'm glad I took him the warm water. Okay, we got a lot of snow. It is May 1st, and my wipers are going, the fan's on because it's cold outside, and I'm gonna plow. So I've got this itty bitty camera. It's like a GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. So I'm gonna set it up, and maybe we'll see if it collects any information. See this? I have a broom. What's the broom for? To brush the snow off the truck. It's heavy wet snow. Dutch plowed this morning, but he had to leave because he works out of town. So now I have to do the plowing. It's really heavy wet, and when I do plow, I want to show you. Let's see, I'm trying to clear the windshield off because I forgot to do that. But we've got, oh, my hair is all stuck to me. We've got a tree leaning way over down at the bottom of our driveway. Camera straight, the tree is not. Ooh. And if it falls, I hope nobody's under it. Nobody should be out today. I think this is the heaviest, wettest snow I've seen in years. I was trying to remember. Big chunks are falling on the truck. I don't know. These trees are pretty close here, and there's one, a leaner there too. Okay, when the wind picks up, that tree really starts a-leaning. It is leaning right now. And that, oh, we had one tree break off in the woods. Elisa saw it from her bedroom. She heard it, and then she saw it. She said, did you see the tree go over? But I wasn't at my desk then, otherwise I probably would have. You know, down the road a ways, a tree knocked out a whole power pole. They're pretty scary. Pretty scary when the wind is this strong and the snow is this heavy. It just pulls everything down. Okay, I'm gonna start. I'm going really slow. Yeah, because maybe you can see there's a lot of snow in front of that plow. Oh, sorry. I'm watching where I'm plowing, not the ones on the camera. So all the snow down here is pretty much from this latest snowfall. Do you see that tree right there? Look at how, sorry for my big finger. When the big gust hits, that thing leans way over. If it survives this snowfall, it might be time to take it down. I just finished plowing. Look how white the driveway is already. Oh, that tree's leaning so far. Gotta go in. Look at all the little birdies. The windows are all covered in water, so they're little slate-colored juncos there. Look at that tree hanging so low. That's an ironwood tree. They love it. Look at that. And down she came. No more big tree there. Bummer. Okay, now I gotta get past her. My son-in-law is gonna bring his chainsaw since Dutch isn't here and ours stopped working. we'll cut that up and get it across the driveway. Or move it across, whatever. How do I get around here now? Oh boy. Okay, the driveway is cleared. I think I'm gonna move my truck down there so that if one of these other leaning towers decides to fall, we'll at least have a way out. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. And then move the car and the plow truck because there are a couple leaning trees over there, and I'll move them into the open here. Yeah, that seems like a good idea because, wow, we don't want something like that falling on a vehicle. You know, oh, I was just looking in the woods for another vehicle, but I can't move those. They're stuck there. Okay, I gotta move a vehicle. Talk to you later. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but look at how blue the snow looks there. You can see like in the footprint there. There, it looks really blue. That's really weird. Whew. Okay, I came to shovel off the trailer, but it doesn't need it. The wind kept the snow off of it. It's really, really windy here. Whoa. The snow didn't collect on the trailer. The wind, though, that's got icy pellets blowing at me. That hurts. Okay, I'm gonna plow again. Mostly so I can move my vehicles away from these leaning trees. Okay, I got one pass. I'm gonna do another. I parked my truck in the wrong spot though. Makes it hard when I get down to the end. Let's see where the tree went down. Oh, it's hard plowing. Okay, I got the plowing done. I moved some vehicles. The truck is where no trees will fall on it. The plow truck, I don't know. I think it's in a good spot for trees not to fall on it. Vehicles are moved, well, except for that one. I'm trying to decide. Let me show you these trees. See, so what happens is we knocked the snow off of the bottom here, but that snow was heavy when we pulled the branch, or you can't see it now, the branches, we cut up that tree and pulled them away. They were heavy with snow. So this one's kind of leaning. My daughter said we're still supposed to get another foot of snow. I don't know, to 2 feet. So that one's kind of concerning me, but if that tips, it's not going to tip toward that car. And I think that one is safe between the other trees. I think so. I mean, if these tip over, they're going to land on the house. I don't think they will. They look pretty strong. It's this one and that one, maybe that one, and then that one down by the road. I mean, I like these because they block the view of our neighbor's house. Can you see the snow? Woo. Oh, I guess I could take all my hats off. Oh, that one's soaking wet. I'm glad I had that on.